In this video, we're going to discuss how to split payment among multiple payment methods. For example, if the customer wants to pay $10 in cash and $15 on card, or if they want to do gift card and credit card or gift card and cash, etc. So in table service, you could actually split the check, but sometimes you can't split it exactly to that number. You have the option to split by item or split by seat. However, that's not always the most ideal way. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and choose a table. We're going to add a couple of items. We're going to go ahead and go to the payment screen, and here on our payment screen is where we'll be able to do this. So here we could choose, let's say the total is $432, so we're going to go ahead and pay $2 with cash. So I just hit $2. I'll go ahead and hit the check mark, which means it's going to leave me a $2.32 balance. I'll hit cash. So now it actually opens the drawer. Now you've paid $2 in cash, and let's say I want to pay $1 in credit card. So I'll hit $1, I'll hit the check mark, I'll hit credit card, and we're going to go ahead and choose no tip. We're going to go ahead and insert our card. Now it's processing the card for that amount, which was $1. And our card is now approved. We're going to remove our card. And here you could see that the transaction is now, we've got $1.32 left. We paid $2 cash, $1 credit card, and the $1.32 we could pay with any other methods. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and hit the cash button, and it will cash out for the exact amount. So in this case, that transaction is fully completed, and our receipt will print now, and the transaction is closed out. So now we're going to go ahead and go to our transaction page. We're going to go ahead and choose our paid transactions. We're going to click on this guy. And here you could see that we paid $2 cash, $1 Visa, and another $1.32 in cash. Furthermore, since we are in table service mode, we can actually adjust tips. So if we wanted to add tip to that $1 Visa card, we could just go ahead and add tip. And let's say we want to add $1.25 in tip. We go ahead and hit submit. And now it's going to adjust the transaction, and it will adjust it to $1.25 in tip, which now here's our new balance. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope that you found this video to be helpful.